Hey guys, Swepco Rad Performance here. I just wanted to give you an update. I know I've been a little bit AFK MIA on the dash of the 84. So I showed you how I got everything working again. I put in some LEDs. I should have showed you a video. Basically, I had to take out the whole dash. Removing the whole dash is actually pretty easy. I'll show you how. You have to basically force the speedometer cable. Yes, you're going to have to unhook it from the tranny to do this. But basically find it and you push it in so you can pull the dash out. Then once you have the dash out, you can press on the release tab. And then you can pull out the whole white, cluster of plastic and your gauges and your contacts. I messed this guy up. So I will tell you that if you're going back there to change your bulbs the normal way without a piece of vinyl tubing, or if you have an issue, make sure these go in the right way. I believe it's a twist to this side of the gauge face. So, and it's gonna snap and click. If you turn it the other way or you turn it in upside down and it doesn't do a quarter turn and seat and snap in, then most likely it's not going to work like I had to, and then I had to pull this thing back out. But right now it looks really good. LEDs from eBay, super cheap. And this is just my normal 40-year-old gauge face. The $55 fix for the tachometer. My oil pressure, I don't know if the gauge is bad. It must be. I changed the sensor up at the engine, and this is still bad, so I don't know if that has something to do with the circuit board itself for $55 that you can get on eBay, or if it's most likely the meter. I think it's most likely the meter. It didn't work before, it still doesn't work. But overall, this is not a bad outcome. I'm very happy. I didn't really spend a lot of money to do this at all, and I think it adds a lot to the car. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. I'm going to be doing more of this car and just keep trying to move forward on it. Alrighty guys, till the next video.